Good day viewers, you're welcome to my page. In today's tutorial, we have to solve for the value of x, where we have s combination, this is combination sign, s combination 2 plus x combination 3 minus 4x is equal to 0, where x is a positive real number, that is this positive number, it is not negative. So if at all, if we find the value of x, if it happen to be negative, it means we are wrong. Then perhaps it might lead to, I think it leads to quadratic equation where we have one negative and one positive. So definitely we are going to embrace the positive value of it. Let's dive into this solution. Remember that n combination r is expressed as n factorial over n minus r or factorial r factorial. And we should not forget that n factorial can be expressed as n multiplied by reduction of n by 1, that is n by 1, then reduction of n by 2, reduction of n by 3, and so on and so forth. We can decide to put it as n minus 3 factorial all over n minus r or factorial. We can decide to express that further as well. Then r factorial, and r factorial is also r reduced by 1 multiplied by r reduced by 2 and the factorial, that is, and so on and so forth. So that is the definition of factorial there. So therefore, our question that says s combination 2 is expressed as x factorial over x minus 2 all factorial, then 2 factorial. And likewise, s combination 3 will also be s factorial over x minus 3 all factorial, 3 factorial. So by putting the two together, then subtract 4 minus 4x, subtract 4x from it, then equate it to 0. Let's see what we have here. So we have x factorial over x minus 2 all factorial, then 2 factorial, plus x factorial over x minus 3 all factorial, 3 factorial, minus 4x, then we are told that is equal to 0. Then let's see how we can simplify this this expression and this expression. Then we should know that x factorial is the same thing as x multiplied by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, and so on and so forth until we have x minus x, so that will turn to 0, and 0 factorial is equal to 1. So why do we intend expanding this x factorial? We can see that in the expression x factorial, if we express x factorial here, if we expand it, it can easily take care of the denominator here. What do I mean by that? Let me say x multiplied by x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2. Let me stop there. Factorial. It shows that it continues. Then all over x minus 2 all factorial as well, then 2 factorial, and our 2 factorial is 2 times 1, which is the same thing as 2, plus the same thing applicable here. We have x factorial, which is the same thing as x multiplied by x minus 1, x minus 2, then x minus 3. Let me write it well. X minus 3 all factorial divided by x minus 3 all factorial, then 3 times 2. And we should not forget minus 4x is also here, then minus 4x equals 0. Let's write this better. We have minus 4x is equal to 0. So from the look of things here, we'll see that x minus 2 all factorial can easily handle this. X minus 3 all factorial can easily handle this as well. So we have this. We have x multiplied by x minus 1 all over 2 plus x into, then let's multiply these two together. This, if we multiply that together, we shall have a quadratic form, a quadratic expression as x by x squared, then x by minus 2x, minus 2, that will be minus 2x, then we have minus 2x, the minus 1 times x, we have minus x. So we can easily see that we have minus 3x. Let's put minus 3x here, minus 3x, then minus 1 times minus 2, we have plus 2, everything over, then 3 times 2, we have 6, minus 4x is equal to 0. And also let's simplify this as well. The here we have x squared minus x all over 2 plus, and let's open this bracket as well. We have x times x, we have x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x, everything over 6 minus 4x is equal to 0. So let's ensure that we simplify this better. You can say this one is over 1. Then since we have the numerator 2, 6 and 1, then we can say this also is over 0 over 1 as well. So let's use the LCM to clear the fraction, and the LCM here is 6, so let's multiply through by 6. So when you multiply through by 6, we shall have this x over 2 plus 6 into x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x over 6, then 6 to multiply 4x, then 6 to multiply 0. We know that will eventually end up to be 0. So we can see what we have here. 2 can easily undo this. Then we have 3 to multiply the bracket. We have 3 into multiply x squared minus x plus, then likewise this we have 6, we undo 6, so we are left with ordinary 1. Then 1 we multiply the bracket as well. We have x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus, then 6 times 4x, we have 24x is equal to 0. This is taking a form of quadratic equation. So let's simplify this and let's see what we have. Let's use 3 to multiply this, and let's see what we have. We have 3x squared minus 3x, then plus x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 24x, all equal to 0. So looking at this now, we see that there are some terms that we cancel out, plus 3x squared, then minus 3x squared, that we strike that out. So we have, what we have left is let's arrange them according to the power of x. We have x raised to the power 3, this, then followed by, then let's put this minus 3x, then this plus 2x, then minus 24x, all equal to 0. So all we have here, x cubed minus 3x plus 2x, that is minus x minus 24, that is minus 25x is equal to 0. From the look of thing here, this is cubic, so we can easily factor out x here. So we have x into, we have x squared minus 25 all equal to 0. So it implies that either x is equal to 0 or x squared minus 25 is equal to 0. And from here we can say that our x is equal to 0, or we say our x squared minus 5 squared is equal to 0. So from here we can easily say that x minus 5, using our difference of 2 square, x plus 5 all equal to 0. Finally we say our x is equal to 0, then or x is equal to, when we solve this, x is equal to 5 or x is equal to negative 5. But we have been told that our x is positive integer, therefore our value of x is 5. And normally we cannot get negative value because this is a factorial, and its combination, we cannot have the negative value of x. If you enjoyed this, please do ensure you share it and drop a comment. Thank you. Watch out for more. Bye for now.